Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you on how we can do a mail merge. So today I'm going to be using the Avery template 5160, but you guys can use whatever template. If it's Avery 5060, Avery 5091, whatever it might be. You can use any template and use this method. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Word document with that template. Let's go ahead and minimize that. Open up the Excel file that we have on the desktop. And you can see in our Excel file we have the first and last name columns with all the names and the last names. Then you can, so our Excel file list is here. You're going to want to close out of that Excel file, then open up Word and go to Select Recipients, Use Existing List, and we're going to select that Excel file. So you're going to Desktop, click on that Book 1 because that's just an example I created. Sheet 1, that's fine, hit OK. If you have multiple sheets, then you need to select what sheet you're working with. And go now, click in here and do Insert Mail Merge Field. And you can see we got those first and last names. You might be seeing something different here, depending on your Excel file and how it's laid out. But I did first and last name at the top of the column, so that's why it's pulling that. So we click on first name, and we're going to do a space, last name, so there's a space between them. You can even do a return here, so if you want that, down below. But in this case, I'm just going to be doing a space between first name and last name. Now, you think you're all done, but no, you need to replicate all these to each of these labels. So to do that, you have to hit the button that says Update Labels. And I've noticed this has been some kind of weird glitch with Word where it's just grayed out. So to get around that, you go to Start Mail Merge, and you select Labels, and then wait for this to load here. But basically what we're doing is kind of tricking it. So you select that, and then you hit Cancel, and then we'll be able to do Update Labels. So hit Cancel, and now the Update Label button is shown. So you hit Update Labels. Bam. Now it says next record, first and last name. So to make sure this is going to look correct before we print it, we hit Print Preview Results, and you can see it's showing every name in that Excel list that we had that I showed you earlier. So now, once you see it's all done, you can do Finish and Mail Merge, Print Document, whatever you're working with, and send it to the printer. And that's how you can do a mail merge. The easiest, fastest way I found going from Excel, list of names of Excel, into Word. Thanks, you guys. Hope this was helpful.